Hey Marshall, my name is Mary with the Principal Marketing Firm. I just want to take a minute to say thank you for looking at this video. Today, I'm going to be showing you 3 things you can do today to help bring more customers to your business. And I already know you're probably sitting there and asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? And I understand and I get it fully. Although there is no easy answer than to saying that businesses are too busy running their business to understand how the internet can impact and benefit business owners and their company. And sometimes the only pause that you have is hiring someone who is or isn't an expert. I know giving people an easy free plan of actual things that can impact their business for free has resulted in some local business owners asking me and still raising their hand and saying, I like you, Mary, and please do this for me more. So by the end of this video, if you like what you've heard and you see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve when it comes to digital marketing, then please, by all means, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if you see that in this video, you simply want to take this free plan that I gave you you could just want to do it yourself, then that works for me as well. But let's just jump right into it. So the first thing is content. You guys need at least about 1,500 words to be optimized by Google. And right here, it's showing that you guys have over 2,000. Right? Your competitors over here, they have just about, I would say, 1,000 words. So you're beating them in that point. But the main goal here is that you want to beat them with keywords. And that's something that you guys are actually slacking in currently. So your keywords are 264, as you can see. But their keywords are 8.5K. It doesn't mean that they're using the correct keywords, but it means that whatever keywords they are using, which we'll click right into that so I can show you, that they are the most efficient. And one of their top keywords is Reno real estate. It gets 2,500 volumes per month, meaning that this gets clicked on 2,500 times. Realtors in Reno, 1,300 times. And we want to make sure that we want to get you guys there first. Whatever keywords that they're using, we want to use. And if I go into your guys' keywords, I want to see how much volume you guys get and what keywords are displayed. Marshall Realty, 900. But we're not seeing any of those specific keywords that we want you guys to be using to tell Google that you have the authority and that you want to be optimized in the correct way. And the second thing that I want to show you is citations. So citations are the Google Map pack. It's basically your business name, your address, and your phone number, aka the NAPs. So you're probably asking me right now, well, Mary, we're already on there. We're number 1. You guys are doing great. This is not really a topic that needs to be pointed on too much. We do use a site called White Spark. It just shows us where you guys are ranked. You're 63. The competitors are 67. Your other competitors, which is Craig Team Realty, they're 9. So this is something that you don't even need to really focus on too much because you guys are in the lead right now. But to keep you guys there in the lead, let's stick to more citations. Let's get you guys having 114 instead of 63 citations sitting there for you. Now, the last thing I want to talk to you guys about is what is the most important aspect to Google. And we call these things that give you your site authority, which is your backlinks. Now, if we go back on Ahrefs right here, you can see that you have 448 backlinks. You do want to have a lot more backlinks on here. Your competitors, they have 10.2K backlinks. And basically, backlinks are links, I'll click into theirs, that go back to you. And this can be a number of things. It can be a realtor's notice, buying fatigue. It can be Arrow Creek Real Estate, but they have a link going back to their home page, going back to whatever page that they have. You guys only have 448 people, 448 sites right now. Now, if we want to be more accurate, here's a better example. So if you have a backlink that's Reno Real Estate Agents.com, that's a better backlink we're sourcing to you than Pizza Hut because you don't sling pizzas for a living. We're selling houses. We're selling property for a living here. This is where you want to be number 1, having that authority in Google's eyes, almost like being the number 1 student in a class or a popularity contest, making sure you get that correct information, those correct keywords, those correct backlinks. We did go over those 3 topics, the content, which we know that we just want to make sure that we're refreshing those pages, your front page right here on the Marshall Realty page, homepage, that you're getting those correct keywords going to you. When people search, Google search real estate agents in Reno, you're the first people that they see. Also, we also want to focus on backlinks for you guys. Backlinks are what is going to give that site authority. Citations currently, you guys are doing great. Really don't want to really dive too deep into that, but if you want to keep that number one spot, let's double up those citations. Now you can either go with my information that I provided to you and you can continue and run with it, or you can say, Mary, you know what, you have a lot of knowledge up your sleeve. I would love to work with you. I'd love to sit down and see what you could do for me and my company. If you would like to go that route at all, you can call me at 775-402-2885. I really look forward to hearing from you, and I appreciate you listening on this video and just collecting some information regarding your business. Thank you and have a great one.